Hey everyone, it's the Cowies. We've been out here traveling nomadically since 2019 with our fur babies, and now we've decided to take on another project.
And it's a big old boat, a 1987 Sea Ray 460 convertible. And this time, unlike the schoolies, we're taking you all along with us for the adventure.
Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe.
So, funny story. We're trying to figure out the air conditioner again, because that's what we do, is just hang out and figure stuff out, and then eat food, and then
Yeah, and it's going to be
figure more
hot this
stuff out.
week, so...
Yeah, so we're trying to figure out the air conditioner, and I basically, I made like this whole edit station over
Why
here.
are you talking so fast?
I don't know, honey. Pause it. Shut up.
I'm not pausing it.
Why
You
not?
heard that. He told me to shut up. That's on
Because you're picking on me.
spousal abuse.
Oh my god. Why is this on back on photo again? Ugh. I hate touch screens.
So we bought some equipment to help filming,
Yeah.
and we're practicing with it. Like, we're new. We got a GoPro.
Ooh, fancy.
We got a drone, too.
Yeah, we got one of them too somewhere around here. Anyway, so yeah. So I made a little edit station right here. And now I gotta take it all apart because I gotta get under there.
We think.
So yeah. That's
think.
Well, yeah, there's something under there.
Yeah, every time we open something and think that we're
Yeah.
somewhere that something should be to get to it, that's not what it was.
I still don't know where everything is.
No.
So,
Like,
yeah.
we're still opening cubbies and finding things or discovering a new cubby that's just there for storage, which
Right.
we realized this
Down
weekend.
here, I'm going to show you on this guy. I did fix the. What are you doing?
Well, I'm gonna.
I'm literally going to film it with this guy.
Oh,
That's why.
I'm new.
Anyway, so yeah.
I don't get
When we
paid for
got
this.
here, it used to open from the wrong side. So now the ice maker. I mean, and of course that turned into a huge project. You know, it really shouldn't have, but they had it through bolted, of course, and they couldn't get to everything. So that was fun. Anyway, yeah, I did that off camera. We weren't in a good mood to film. So,
Yeah. But
Okay.
anyway,
so yeah, taking apart.
we're gonna
Well,
take
here.
this apart and all this nice little setup that John made. We're
Yeah.
gonna
Here, hold on. I gotta
disorganize his organization that he just
dig out some stuff. Can I get a cut?
cut.
Can I get a cut?
Cut.
There we go.
It's time to take the dogs.
Yeah, so they won't leave us alone.
So you get to see what it's like to take them on a little walkabout.
Come here, you big hairy beast. Hold up. Watch your toes, Louie. Yeah, he just utter refusal. He just jumps.
This way. Come on. Hey, come on, leave it.
Get in our boat. Go on, man. Go ahead. You're good. There you go. Good boy. Well, that was fun. And we're back.
All right. So here we go. I'm going to take all that work apart and
See what's in there. Hopefully it's the air conditioning things.
Hopefully. We shall find out. But you watch.
Fingers crossed.
We're going to go time lapse. And here we go.
What is that? Is this the air unit?
Yeah. There's air conditioner. So that goes into there. Goes into there. I don't understand. There's no fuses or anything. There's nothing to. I mean, when you turn it on, it should just start working.
Do you need a light?
No. Not really. I just don't really know what I'm looking at. I know that that's fucking beep. That's dangerous, but
Oh, I can see that boat going. Like its front's raising up.
yeah.
Gosh. There's a big red one.
Yeah.
Kind of look like his, but smaller.
Okay, well, that did absolutely nothing.
Okay.
That's just where the unit is. So that means we could probably change the couch since the unit's over here. Hit that bottom switch on. Yep.
Okay.
Hit the top one and the bottom one.
This one?
Yeah. See, and that one doesn't turn on.
What about the port and the forward?
I mean, try them. Go ahead.
I mean, the lights went on.
Yeah, the lights went on, but not getting out. Look, no control power.
Oh, let me go check back here and push this little control panel.
I mean, that's what we did last time.
Well, let's just try it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Found him.
Yeah. When all else fails, consult the manual.
And the original owner did keep the manual on just about everything in this boat.
Yeah, we got an accordion file full of all kinds of usefulness. Except I haven't taken the time to read it all. Well,
Anything useful?
no. I mean, yeah, the first problem in the troubleshooting guide says no lights in display and the system does not heat or cool, which is, that's our problem.
Right.
So, power on reset does not occur when AC power is supplied. So it's saying that it's getting bad voltage potentially, or it's the display cable is broken or dirty. It's like a phone jack, kind of like a phone cable. So, I don't know. I guess we can flip that lid back up, check it for power, and see like we did back there. But that one has power and it still won't turn on, so I don't know.
Yeah.
I mean, we could pop this up and look at this one. This one's under here, but I'm sure it has power. I just don't understand why. None of the controls
Displays.
are,
Yeah.
the displays.
Well, that's the way the guide calls it.
And like I can't get any new display things. Nice.
I put this down to keep them from going out, and it's working.
I don't know what to do, honey. I don't.
Huh?
Huh? I don't know.
Well, I mean, at this point, do we call a guy?
I think we need to. Oh, I don't know what happened there.
I ain't turned off.
All powered off? Yeah.
Inactivity.
My bad. Battery saver mode, that's cool. Yeah, puppy.
Wait, which switch am I flipping?
Salon.
This is the one?
Yep. See, it's getting power. Don't get it. So it's getting power there. If anybody knows, let us know in the comments. Because it ain't working. Alright, you can kill it.
Well, if anybody knows what's happening over here, has any experience with why the air just will not turn on, let us know. We'd love feedback. I love the air conditioner to work.
It's nothing clearly. Boy. More mysteries. What did I just push? No. What time warp? Found it. more to it than that. How do you even get in there? Let me in, you stupid thing. I'm sure there's a boat guy out there just laughing at me right now. At least I'd hope so. Oh, well. I think I figured it out. Maybe. Probably not. Maybe. What's happening here? Aha! There's stuff in here. Fuse. Everything. I don't see anything jumping out at me. Okay, so what you're seeing right here is what I have figured out is not working. And this guy is the air conditioning water pump. So, it looks like we're going to need a new one of those. Yeah, not cool. Because it's really hard to get to. And it's okay. We like things that are hard to get to. Trying to get the part number so that I can see.